merong something na kulang sa kanya pong ginagawa as a tour guide or hindi po siya as prepared dun po sa isa pong tour guide.
Yes, thank you so much. Yung isa ay very prepared. Now, let's go for next question is, which tour guide behavior show better handling of tourists? Sino ba dun sa dalawang tour guide yung nagbibigay ng mas magandang better service sa tourists? I think I can call Owen Lahada for this question.
I think sa lahat ng scenario is si tour guide letter A kasi ayun nga, prepared siya lagi. I think siya yung pinaka-prepared talaga.
Okay. He is also prepared. Now, so let's go for the next question is, why do you think it is important to have this kind of set of standard for a tour guide? Bakit importanteng meron tayong standard para sa mga tour guides? I think I can call Venus. Can I call Venus for this question?
For safety risk management. For safety risk management.
Management po. Okay. So it shows better management. Now let's go for next question is, how did the attitudes of the tour guides affects the overall tourist experience? Now, paano nakaka-apekto yung attitude ng tour guide sa overall experience ng tourist? So, who would like to answer this question? Okay, Owen again.
Mahalaga po talaga yung attitude nila kasi sila po yung magsiset talaga ng ambience para sa buong tour na mangyayari. So, kung hindi sila prepared, mas mahirap ma-engage or rather mahirap matuto yung mga nasa tour na yun or like yung yung makikinig doon. While kung ready naman sila or prepared, nakakatulong yun para mas matuwa yung mga tinutour nila, no? And mas matuto pa sila ng marami. Ayun.
Yes, nagbibigay sila ng better engagement, no? So the next question is, what kind of work attitude did the first tour guide show? Ano ba yung work attitude na pinapahiwatig ng pinakaunang tour guide, no? Or yung set A scenario? What kind of work attitude kaya yun? Who would like to answer that? I think, so MJ? MJ is raising.
Ano po teacher, sa scenario A po is professionalism po.
Professionalism. Okay, professional. And professional. Next is, ano pa kaya yung work attitude na binibigay niya? Ano pa kaya yung work attitude na pinapakita nila? Andrea Sabilaw, anong work attitude kaya yun?
For set A po, teacher.
Yes,
Sir, okay. For set A po, aside po sa professionalism, nagpapakita rin po ng, katulad po ng sinabi ni Venus na proactive work attitude po and responsible po talaga sa kanilang work.
So kapag responsible ka, ano yung pinapakita mong work attitude? Ano yung katambal ng work? So work responsible, ano yung pwedeng adding word ng responsible? Ano siya? Ano yung pinapakita niya? Yes, I see accountable. Yes, this is one of the things that, yes, leadership. Yes, ano pa? Ano kayang work attitude na binibigay niya? So, ayan, work ethics, no? Work ethics, no? Nagpapakita siya ng work ethics. So, nakita natin prepared. And also, may management din siya. And also, engaged din yung mga yung mga participants niya, yung mga tourists. And also, meron siyang professionalism. So, ibig sabihin, pinapakita niya yung overall work ethic na kailangan ng isang ideal na isang tour guide. Next question is, kung ikaw yung nasa sitwasyon na yon bilang isang tour guide, ano yung pwede mong gawin para mas ma-improve yung tour? I think I can call Aaron Elpedes for this question.
Siguro po aside sa pagiging responsible, pagiging prepared, syempre dapat meron kang humor. Hindi ka lang dapat kapag ka tour guide hindi ka dapat masyadong seryoso. Kailangan mo rin kailangan magpakita ka rin ng humor na kung saan sila ay matutuwa sa'yo or yung magiging masaya sila kasi syempre kailangan din yon para mas lalo silang ma-engage. Yun lang.
Yes, thank you so much, Aaron. No? So, pinapakita na kailangan meron ka din humor and also meron kang work ethic sa lahat ng bagay sa pagiging isang tour guide mo. So, kapag meron kang tour guide, ay pag meron kang work ethic, no, magiging prepared ka, meron kang management, engagement, and professionalism. And also, pwede mo siyang, yung work mo is pwede mo siyang haluan ng humor. Now, let's go for our lesson. Now, when you hear tour guide, no, what comes to your mind? Anyone want to answer? When you hear tour guide, what comes to your mind? Yes, MJ?
Ano po, teacher? History po.
Yes.
Kapag ano po, kasi parang more on napapansin ko po.
Yes, history, no, kasi kadalasan nakikita natin yung mga tour guide sa mga museum, sila yung mga nagli-lead, no. So, ano nga ba yung definition ng tour guide, no? Ang tour guide are professional in the travel and hospitality industry who accompany visitor to places and interest in share cultural and historical practical information. So hindi sila basta sinasamahan ng kayo sa mga tours. So, no, sila ay mga professional, no? Sila ay may mga alam sa mga cultural, historical, and practical information na kailangan yung malaman during the tour. So, ang hahanapin nyo kapag kailangan nyo ng tour is tour guide. So, okay, you can unmute your mic. Sophia? Nag-raise ka ba ng hand? Okay, so I think nataas niya lang yung kamay niya. So let's go for the attributes of an ideal tour guide. So ano nga ba yung mga attributes na kailangan ng isang ideal tour guide, no? Ayon sa Tour and Travel Philippines, no, ang ideal tour guide daw ay kailangan merong confidence and leadership. An effective tour guide demonstrate confident and inspiring leadership. So like I said kanina, kung isa kang tour guide, no, kailangan meron kang leadership. So hindi ka lang basta-basta sinasamahan mo sila, hindi ka lang basta sabi ng mga kailangan nilang malaman. Dapat meron kang leadership at kailangan ma-set mo yung leadership na yun para magkaroon ka ng sense of confidence na rin at maging epektibo ka during the tour. Next naman is problem-solving decision-making, no? So, a tour guide must be capable of handling responsibilities that require quick thinking and sound judgments. No? So, ang isang tour guide ay kailangan meron siyang mabilis na problem-solving. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng medical problem ang isang tourist or pwedeng magkaroon ng heavy rainfall. So dapat meron kang problem solving to quick para magawan mo ng paraan ang isang problema. Pwede mong mag-reschedule na lang. So kailangan mo rin ng decision making when it's come to becoming a tour guide. Next is the physical and mental strength. The role requires good physical health, emotional stability, and psychological maturity. So kailangan physically fit ka. Kailangan nakikita mo na kailangan kaya mong tumayo ng matagal, kailangan kaya mong makapaglakad ng matagal. So, kailangan physically fit ka para masabayan mo yung mga kasama mo yung sa tour. And also, kailangan mentally strength ka, kailangan may mental strength ka. Malay mo magkaroon ng problema and then magkaroon ng panic, 'di ba? So kailangan hindi ikaw yung unang magpapanik, no. Kailangan may mental strength ka to work under pressure. Next is kailangan meron ka ding communication and personality.
Teacher,
Kailangan mo ng
time's
Okay
up po. Thank you. Congrats, Teacher Christian. Maybe you can introduce your evaluators, then proceed tayo sa feedback.
Okay, thank you po. So, ang first evaluator is si Sir Villanueva ng PNU South Luzon po. Naka-mute po kayo, sir.
Ayun, good morning po. Good morning to everyone. Ayun, so first, congratulations to Mr. Christian. Maliwanag ba yung boses ko? Maliwanag. Ayan, sige. So, at first, your lesson plan is good naman. So, yun. Since this is semi-detailed, diba? Ang napansin ko lang una ay describe the attributes of ideal tour. Tama, nandun yung cognitive. Next is, it should be effective. Displays work ethic as an attribute of ideal work. Or pwede rin ditong show the value the importance. Value the importance of work ethic. And then next is, of course, sa performance, ito yung psychomotor sa last makikita sa application. So, it's good naman. And then, yung napansin ko lang is next ay, yung energizer mo, pwede na siyang activating prior knowledge. Tapos, yung yung naging activating prior knowledge mo is pwede nang establishing lesson purpose. Tapos, yung process masyadong matagal. Ang nakalagay sa lesson plan is 7 minutes. Nag-exceed tayo ng 7 minutes session. And then, ang ko naman is you have the clear classroom rules. It's good. And you also provide a good reinforcement. Very good. Ganon. And you also have the relevant and appropriate activities for the students. And of course, even though online class is, meron kang supportive learner participation, yung nasa reinforcements, then you have the lots and hots, the low-level thinking skills from what to why, from higher order thinking skills ng mga tanong. And then, of course, yung PPT okay din. Ayan, yung napansin ko lang masyadong mahaba yung activity. Masyadong mahaba. Avoid mo. Mag-set ka ng timer if needed. Siguro have ng alternative na activity na mas achievable, yung mas madaling gawin. Para sa
Excuse
mga
me po,
Kasi,
teacher. Maybe we can wrap up our feedback po as we are bound by time since may next demo pa po kami. Thank you po. Sorry po.
That's the overall, yung should be continued at saka i-avoid. Sa overtime lang po. That's all.
Okay, may I say something? Maraming salamat kay Teacher Villanueva all the way from South Luzon. Maraming salamat. Thank you for taking time out to observe Christian's demonstration teaching and for providing objective and insightful feedback to the demo teacher. Maraming salamat.
Next po si Evaluator Elmer Aguaido po. Si Sir Aguaido po.
Hello? Audible ba?
Wala pong sound, sir.
Okay. Kaya yan?
And meron na po.
Okay, so ayun, no? Nira-wrap up ko na lang dahil nabigay na naman sa Villanueva. So, ang pwede ko na lang sabihin is yung sa avoid. So, ang nakita ko lang, hindi ka nag-discuss ng directions sa estudyante mo. For example, yung group number 1 mo, hindi nila alam kung paano ilalagay yung sagot nila sa mismong Venn diagram. And also, avoid saying I think and I can call, ganon. Kasi parang di ka confident na tawagin yung estudyante. Parang di mo sila kilala or parang wala ka talagang confidence sa sarili mo. So, yun lang naman yung napansin ko. And also, utilize yung SMART. Yung SMART para makapasok sa yung time limit yung lahat ng gagawin mo. SMART lang. Yun lang yung kailangan. Yun lang naman yun sa. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Sister I from VCP po, Wesleyan College, Philippines. And next evaluator is from
Okay,
PNU
may I
Manila.
just say something para po sa second evaluator natin, ano? Exactly the same thing that I would tell Christian, ano? Tama po yun na hindi masyado naging clear yung direction sa pagbigay ng direction. Kaya medyo siguro clueless yung mga participants and also yung mga nag-observe, no? So we should, although we don't have the copy of the lesson plan, at least po, if the teacher would give us a good direction, nagkakaroon na ng idea. Thank you very much for pointing that out, sir. Thank you.
Next evaluator is Sophia po from PNU Manila. Ma'am Sophia.
Medyo natagalan. Tapos, nahalata ko rin na kinakabahan ka, which is okay lang. So, ang ano ko lang sa'yo, advice ko lang ay parang, huwag kang kakabahan. Ang ano mo lang, kung nga ito yung parents mo na tinuturuan mo lang, ganyan, huwag kang kakabahan. Kasi the more na kinakabahan ka, mas lalo ka kasi nagsistatic. Yon. Tapos, yung pangalawa naman obserbahan ko, yung nagsasabi ka ng I think, so ang ano doon, ang point of view nun, parang pinag-iisipan mo magtawag ng student. So ayan. Tapos lagi ka lang dapat nakangiti, dapat yung aura mo ay joyful yan. Para yung impression sa'yo ng bata, okay. So yun lang naman. So overall, okay naman lahat. Yung PowerPoint mo okay rin. So natuwa naman ako doon. So ayan. Thank you so much, Teacher Christian, and congrats!
Okay, thank you, Teacher Sophia, for your kind and encouraging feedback kay Christian. Actually, kung nagbabasa po si Christian ng chat box, my first my first message to him is all caps smile. Tama ba, Christian? Nababasa mo ba yung comments ko? Oo, yun
Yes
agad
po,
yung
nabasa
kita
ko
ko
po.
kasi medyo makikita natin na kinakabahan yung ating but still nakita natin kung paano yung determination ng teacher to go on kahit may mga naging problem sa mahaba yung kanyang activity and also I think he did his best also na maitawid ang demo na to. I'm sure etong lesson na to ay malapit sa puso ni Christian, hindi dahil siya ay tourist guide, kundi nagbo-work po siya talaga, no? So alam niya ang what would make the clients comfortable, 'di ba, no? Kasi he's into service-oriented din po yung kanyang trabaho. So I guess hindi lang to galing sa content pero galing din sa experience. Maraming salamat. I will still continue avoid maybe some other time because we're giving way to the next demo teacher. Marami po salamat sa aming mga evaluators at sa mga active participants. Kasama na rin po yung mga kaklase ni Christian na nandito to support. Thank you. Let's have the next